Hey guys, CG here. Today we're going to learn how to dice an onion. So stay tuned and watch to the end because you will hopefully learn some tricks of the trade that you probably may or may not have known before. So first things first, you need a sharp knife. We have a sharp knife right here. You've got to make sure that you have an edge on it. This is called a steel. You need to do this to realign the edge or put the edge back on it. Because what happens over too much use, even if it's sharp, it'll fold over. So we realign that. To tell if your knife is sharp enough, place your blade on the tomato. Do not apply any weight. Drag it back, and if it cuts through the skin, it means it's sharp enough for general kitchen duties. Also, kids, make sure you have parents' permission, and anything that you do with a knife, always be under parents' supervision at all times. Because a knife is made for an adult, and it can be dangerous for a child to be handling a blade. Even though I'm going to show you how to not cut yourself and the safe method of using a knife in the kitchen. What I'm going to show you with dicing an onion can be used on any vegetables. Before handling food, make sure your hands are clean. If you have any jewellery on, it's probably a good idea to take it off. Good hygiene, safe food handling, good stuff. So we have our onion, we have our sharp knife. You're going to grab the onion like so, slice it like that. Some people have certain techniques and certain procedures that they like to follow so they don't cry from the onion. I personally just brave it out. However, we can go over some of these methods and practices that some people indulge in to stop them from crying. Because when you do cry, it's pretty intense. You will never cut yourself if you always use this technique. So this is what a gourmet knife is designed for. Okay, so just take your skin off like so. Now, I'm going to show you how to both dice and slice an onion. So, first one is dice. So you don't cut yourself, hold your fingers like that. Make sure your thumb's always behind your fingers, and that's how you cut. So run the blade down your knuckles like this, thumb behind, and use that as your guide. You cannot have anything hanging out. Same again. Remember to never let your thumb past your fingers. Look at that, beautiful, beautifully done. And there you go. Nice diced onion. Now, if you want to slice your onion, you can either slice it this way, we can slice it that way. Same again. Fingers like so. As easy as that. There you go. Nice sliced onion. Hands are still fine.